Welcome to the first video of BC Vault tutorial videos. In this video, we will show you how to unpack BC Vault, what security measures are there for your safety, and what's included in the box. Well, hopefully, first of all, you received the BC Vault from us, take it from the packaging, and immediately you will notice the first security measure. There are two hologram stickers on the box itself, which you have to cut and check there are no previous damages to the sticker. If you safely succeeded cutting the stickers without hurting yourself, good job. Opening the box, you will find some promotional leaflets from our partners that will give you excellent rebates and actions. A welcome notice from the BC Vault team where you will find the first instructions, first steps, how to do, how to connect, where to download, and so on. And if you are really lucky, there might be a real device in the box. So again, when you take the device out of the box, you will notice same security hologram sticker is also put on the device to prevent somebody to use the USB port. Further on in the box, you will find a couple of stickers, a webcam cover so you can protect your privacy on your laptop or phone or whatever, and very important, a USB cable. Looking at the device itself, now's the time to remove the hologram sticker, which should be intact, no damage there. So you'll be able to access the USB port and connect the device to your computer. As you can see, the sticker is not really easy removable, which is intended because it leaves marks. If somebody would remove the sticker and reapply the sticker, the marks would be left on the device itself. Cleaning up the residue of the sticker is easiest done with isopropyl alcohol. Just clean it out and that's it. Now we have USB-C port exposed, and you will see that the cable included in the box has USB-C on one side, a regular USB-A on the other. This side of the cable should always go to the device. Even if you use a special USB-C adapter that you can purchase in our shop, for the case that your laptop only features USB-C type connectors and not the regular ones. So just connect the adapter right now. Remember, adapter always goes to computer, not the device itself. We are now ready to connect the device to the computer.